Hi, my name's Emma Simpkins. I'm the Botanical Records and Conservation Specialist at the Auckland Botanic Gardens. The core scientific role here at the Auckland Botanic Gardens is to research and document our living collections to foster an understanding and appreciation for plants as well as conservation. Our research underpins our plant collections, and that helps inform the advice and the information that we give to our visitors. Research here at the Botanic Gardens comprises of three key elements. Our plant trials, where we trial plants for Auckland conditions. Facilitated research, where we allow students through university and high schools as well as research institutions to use our plants collections and the plants in them for things like taxonomic studies, phenological studies and general nature observations. And our final component is our research, where we explore things like living roofs, meadows and plant breeding. Plants that are in our trials or plants that are in our main displays, known as in-garden trials, are regularly assessed on their performance under Auckland conditions. And plants that pass that assessment are known as star performers, and those are the plants that we recommend to our visitors and are included in our Plants for Auckland. All our plant recommendations and our advice are available through our Plants for Auckland database, which is available on our website, or the leaflets available in the Visitors Centre. Here at the Gardens, as well as our own research, we facilitate lots of other research through students and other scientists throughout New Zealand. They might use our whole collections or just individual plants within the gardens. There are a vast number of projects that we've helped facilitate here, from the kakapo diet to flammability of plants by barbecuing them, plant pollinator interactions, invertebrate studies and so many more. Some of our research is to help solve environmental issues, and one of them is weedy plants. So we're working with our local council, Auckland Council, the nursery industry and land care research to find a sterile form of agapanthus that doesn't jump the garden fence and become a problem in the future. So we're looking for plants that don't produce much seed or the seed isn't viable, and then we can recommend these to the home gardeners to grow. We proactively support research that contributes to better understanding our horticultural practices as well as our sustainable approach to plants and gardens. Part of our research is looking at clever ways to use plants to solve environmental issues. One of the cool things we do is we trial native plants for living roofs, and here we have an example behind us where we've got different native plants that we're trialling. Living roofs are a great way to capture runoff from buildings, and we have a second roof where we trial exotic plants. The living roof is part of a wider project at the Gardens. It's called our Sustainable Water Trail, where we have things like rain gardens and swales which capture water, slow the flow of water and filter it before it hits our natural waterways and streams. Our research really adds value to our own plant knowledge, but also the broader understanding of how plants can be used to solve many environmental issues.